Turn on subtitles and select your language. Listen to me and then repeat. Could we talk in private? Could we talk in private? I look more handsome in the mirror. I look more handsome in the mirror. I'm very aware of the challenges here. I'm very aware of the challenges here. What do you think I should do? What do you think I should do? She loves gold and all fancy things. She loves gold and all fancy things. I will not take much time. I will not take much time. Then why did you do that? Then why did you do that? I didn't get it. I didn't get it. How much did you spend? How much did you spend? Where do you get such ideas? Where do you get such ideas? He is very stubborn. He is very stubborn. Has it broken? Has it broken? Do you often come to the library to study? Do you often come to the library to study? I have made a mistake. I have made a mistake. My ears will start bleeding if you wouldn't stop. My ears will start bleeding if you wouldn't stop. I cannot win in an argument with my girlfriend. I cannot win in an argument with my girlfriend. I'm a bit lost. What are you talking about? I'm a bit lost. What are you talking about? How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it? I am not trying to flatter you. I am not trying to flatter you. There could be an issue with that. There could be an issue with that. There's nothing to lose. There's nothing to lose. Tell her how hard I have tried. Tell her how hard I have tried. I'm not too sure about that. I'm not too sure about that. I'm sure we can work it out. I'm sure we can work it out. At least try it once. At least try it once. You have to look at it from both sides. You have to look at it from both sides. Perhaps you could try talking to Yuna. Perhaps you could try talking to Yuna. I'm from a good family. I'm from a good family. Why don't you give it a go? Why don't you give it a go? I've got a small favor to ask you. I've got a small favor to ask you. What you looking for? What you looking for? I need some help. I need some help. I was just following you. I was just following you. What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Well, I thought that was a good joke. Well, I thought that was a good joke. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. Don't you have manners? Don't you have manners? I just kept the books and did not see the spectacles. I just kept the books and did not see the spectacles. Speak of the devil and he appears. Speak of the devil and he appears. Okay, I'll think about it. Okay, I'll think about it. I tried what you suggested. I tried what you suggested. I'm not sure that's a good idea. I'm not sure that's a good idea. I am an introvert. I am an introvert. Listen to me once. Listen to me once. What is the best thing to do on Sunday?
What is the best thing to do on Sunday?
You know me very well. You know me very well. I didn't call her last night. I didn't call her last night. I woke up late in the morning. I woke up late in the morning.